Hey, everyone! Have you ever watched your kids get totally lost in a world of their own creation? Today I'm here to talk about one of the best ways to unleash that creativity, Lego bricks. First off, let's talk about the sheer magic of these tiny, colorful bricks. Have you ever handed your child a box of Legos and just watched their imagination take flight? It's like giving them a passport to endless possibilities. One minute they're building a spaceship and the next it's a castle guarded by dragons. Now I know what you're thinking, aren't Legos just toys? Well, not exactly. They are tools for creativity, problem solving, and even some basic engineering. Plus, when kids build, break down, and rebuild, they are learning resilience and perseverance, skills they'll use for a lifetime. Let's dive into some benefits. First up, motor skills. Snapping those tiny bricks together is awesome for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's like a mini workout for those little fingers. And then there's spatial awareness. As kids figure out how to fit pieces together, they are learning important concepts of geometry and spatial relationships. It's like a brain workout disguised as playtime. But wait, there's more. Ever noticed how kids can spend hours on a single Lego project? That's focus and concentration in action in our fast-paced digital world. Having a hands-on activity that keeps them engaged for so long is pure gold. Let's not forget the social skills. When kids collaborate on Lego projects, they're learning how to communicate, share ideas, and work as a team. It's a fantastic way for siblings to bond or for kids to make new friends. So how do you get started? Simple. You don't need the fanciest sets. Even a basic collection of bricks can be a treasure chest of creativity. Set up a designated Lego area, maybe a mat or table, and let your kids' imaginations run wild. Don't forget to join in. Building with your kids is a wonderful way to connect and share some quality time. Plus, you might just find it as relaxing and rewarding as they do. All right, parents, that's a wrap on unleashing creativity with Lego bricks. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun and engaging content. Until next time, happy building!